Hey friends, it's Brittany here with HeartsTurningFood.com, and today I have a recipe for you guys. It's a delicious salad dressing recipe. It kind of reminds me of like a Caesar salad dressing, and just lately I've been not wanting to eat my greens. I don't know what's going on with me. Just have a thing where I don't want salad, so I was like, all right, I need to figure out a good dressing so I can just devour those greens. So I really like this dressing, and I hope you guys do too. So we are gonna whip it up. So we need our Vitamix. And we're just going to throw in all of our ingredients and blend it up. So we're going to add our squash as the base of this dressing. And we are going to add some olive oil. And some lemon juice. And garlic. I really love garlic, so I put quite a bit. But everything adjusts to your taste. And capers. And a little bit of namashoyu. And some Dijon mustard. And then we're just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's all our ingredients. So we're just gonna blend it up, and that's our dressing. All right, let's check it out. Perfect. So for this, I usually just throw it over a head of romaine, maybe some spinach, mixed greens, and I just put tomatoes and onions, but you guys can put it on whatever kind of salad you want. So give it a shot and let us know how it is. And until next time, stay healthy, friends.